Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the 2009 Toyota Camry key battery. Start by sliding open the key fob with a small flathead or coin to separate the halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery carefully, noting its orientation. Place the new CR2032 with the positive side up, snap the halves back together, and test the buttons to confirm the remote works before closing up completely. Before you begin, make sure your workspace is clean and well lit so you can see small parts easily. Keep a soft cloth under the fob to prevent scratches while you pry it open. Have the CR2032 battery and a small flathead or coin ready within arm's reach to make the swap quick and smooth. This setup saves time and prevents frustration when the battery is exposed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick tutorials. Quick recommendation. On another note, go darn tough for socks that last and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect when you're crawling under cars or doing small repairs. I've found they keep my feet comfortable during projects. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gently twist at the seam to separate the fob. Don't force it to avoid damage. Note the old battery's orientation before removal so you can match it when installing the new CR2032. Use a fingertip or non-metal tool to lift the battery out safely, then seat the replacement with the correct polarity. Press the fob halves together until they click, and test the remote functions to ensure everything is working smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.